Okay, then just another poser for everybody. The first one is an actual fact. The fact is we are still classed as being in an ice age. An ice age is classified by where there's permanent amount of ice always on the Earth's surface, i.e. there's always ice in the Arctic and there's also always ice in the Antarctic, regardless of what time of the year. So we're still classed as being in an ice age. Um, can't give you the figures. I did something on it years ago, but we are still in an ice age technically. So taking into account, because of climate change and man's interference with that, or whatever you want to call it, scientists are now saying that within 10 years, in the summer months, there'll be very little sea ice within the Arctic Circle in the summer months. So let's take that forward a bit. Let's say, how long will it be before there's no ice or no snow cover within the Arctic Circle in the summer months? So basically, there's no ice whatsoever in the northern hemisphere in the summer months. This would then be classed as the end of the ice age, but it'll only be the northern hemisphere. So how long, if it's going to happen, will that happen because of global, climate change in the ways the Earth is getting hotter? We know we're losing sea ice, so how long are we losing glaciers and everything like that all over the world? So how long will it be before there is no sea ice or snow or anything in the Arctic Circle within the summer months? That would then class as being an end of the ice age in the northern hemisphere. The Arctic, or the Antarctic should I say, is a different kettle of fish altogether. It's a different set of circumstances. Basically, because it's a landmass and the sea all the way around it, and the weather's sort of settles around there all the time, therefore trapping a lot of cold weather in and stopping a lot of warm weather getting there. So it's basically a different subject. So the question is the northern hemisphere, so are we heading towards the end of the ice age within the northern hemisphere? Your points of view, just put them down and see what you're saying, just a little bit of a thought. No scientific facts as far as I know about it, but it's worth considering.